Kaliwat ka ng batikos ang inabot ng character actor na si Janus Del Prado matapos umanong makisawsaw sa issue ng transgender young star na si Aura Briguela. May mga sumang-ayon kay Janus nang maglabas ng saloobin at pansinin ang tinawag niyang entitlement ni Aura para sa kanyang gender alignment. Pero may mga bumatikos din sa aktor at inakusahang nakikisawsaw sa issue ng may issue. Meron pang tumawag sa kanyang laos at wala ng proyekto kaya marami siyang oras umepal. Sabi kasi ng aktor, naaapektuhan at nasasaktan na ang buong LGBTQIA+ community dahil ipinagpipilitan daw ni Aura sa ibang tao ang pronoun na her o she na nais niyang gamitin para kilalanin ang sarili. Aura, you are doing too much to the point that you are hurting the gay community. People are starting to turn against the entire gay community because of this kind of entitlement. Nadadamay sila sa bashing. Not to mention overshadowing the identity and attention from biological women, their struggles and their place in society. Stop acting like you are being oppressed because you are not. Bahagi ng Facebook post ni Janus. Post ng isang netizen, nagsimula lang daw ang issue nang makisawsaw din ang content creator na si Jack Argota at i-misgender niya si Aura sa pagtawag niya ritong bro sa halip na her. Mensahe niya kay Janus, "Sorry Kuya Janus, I have to disagree. Si Sir Jack naman nagsimula eh. It was a harmless, feel-good post about Aura's graduation. Sir Jack made a very malicious and intentional disrespect nung shinare niya yung post. Gets naman if hindi accepted ng lahat yung pronouns na ginagamit niya, but to actually go out of your way and share that post is a disrespect," sabi nito. Sagot sa kanya ni Janus, "You don't have to say sorry. That is your opinion. At least you stated it respectfully. But I wasn't talking about what Sir Jack did. I was talking about the imposition of neo-pronouns outside the trans community. But I guess I didn't explain myself well. Cause even you misunderstood it. To each his own na lang talaga. You guys do you and we do us. We just have to respect each other's beliefs and boundaries," esplita ng aktor. Komento naman ng isang FB user, "Ang OA mo naman sa hurting the community. Nagsabi lang naman yung tao na she finds it disrespecting kapag nami-misgender siya. Yun lang, too much na sa iyo. Ganyan ata kapag matanda, sensitive masyado." Ang tanging sagot sa kanya ni Janus, "Entitled ka lang." Hindi nagpatinag ang netizen at nirisbakan uli si Janus. "I don't care whatever pronoun you want to use to address me. That is reflection of your personality, not mine. Just because usong tawaging entitled ang sino mang nanghihingi ng pagkilala ay tatawagin mong entitled. Obviously, you are not a kind person." Nireplyan uli siya ni Janus, "Vilifying people who disagrees with you is always your community's go-to. You're just delusional. And you maintain that shared delusion just to belong to a group who will never be satisfied by their constant need of validation. Just because you got offended doesn't mean you're right and it doesn't make you a good person either. Truth hurts." May nagtanong naman sa aktor ng, "Bakit ba na ajik kayo sa pronouns ng iba? Feeling relevant ba kasi wala nang ganap sa career sakay sa issue na hindi naman kailangan opinion? Makinig sa naunang gay like Rick Reyes what if. Hindi porkit kayo nauna tama kayo, minsan bulok na ideology niyo." Tugon ni Janus, "Hirap talaga pag 80-80 kausap. Puro panlalait ang ribat. Point is, wag nyo nang ipilit na gamitin ng lahat yung pronouns nyong wrong grammar. Kung gusto nyong gamitin, kayo-kayo na lang. Simple as that." Hirit ng isa pang netizen, "No Janus, sino ka to speak for the community? Saan ka nabase sa statement mong yan? Inaral mo ba yan? Binusisi? Parang hindi." Banat ni Janus, sa kanya, "Sino ka rin? Opinionin ko yun base sa obserbasyon ko. Kayo lang ba pwedeng mag-rant at magbigay ng opinion sa social media? Kung tingin mo di totoo at walang basehan, eh di bakit apektado ka?" Say naman ng isa pang FB user na kumampi sa Janus, "Louder! Salute to the likes of Ricky Reyes and Rene Salud. Marunong rumispeto at makibagay. Hindi entitled, kaya naman respetado rin sila ng lahat."